Today, we are going to study oxygen and compounds of oxygen. That point dioxygen, this oxygen occurs in gaseous state like O2. Preparation of oxygen. Oxygen are prepared generally at laboratory methods. First method is by thermal decomposition of certain oxygen-rich salt. This rich salt like chlorates and nitrates. Potassium chlorate like twice KClO3 gives twice KCl plus thrice O2. Then second, twice KNO3 means potassium nitrate are decomposes into potassium nitrate and oxygen. Second method, by thermal decomposition of certain metallic oxide. This metallic oxide like mercury oxide and silver oxide are decomposed into metallic silver and mercury plus oxygen. In reaction like here, see that twice HO are decomposed into twice Hg plus O2. In second reaction, twice Ag2O is 4Ag plus O2. In third reaction, by action of water or acidic potassium permanganate on sodium peroxide. A sodium peroxide like twice Na2O2 plus twice HgO, it gives 4 molecules of NaOH plus O2. And in laboratory method, this KClO3 are decomposed into 4 twice KCl plus twice thrice O2. Then fifth method, manufacture of O2. It is prepared from water and from air. First method, from water. When electrolysis of acidic water takes place, it gives at the cathode, water gives at cathode, and oxygen gives at the anode. From air, on large scale, जर आपल्याला मोठ्या प्रमाणात ऑक्सिजन मिळवायचं असेल, this oxygen is prepared by fractional distillation of liquid air, SO2. Then physical properties of oxygen. These oxygen are colorless gas, then odorless gas, and tasteless gas. Then it is soluble in water. It is liquefied under pressure. When on cooling, it can be solidified. This oxygen is heavier than air. Then isotopes of oxygen are found like oxygen 16, oxygen 17, and oxygen 18. The next point, chemical properties of oxygen. When oxygen are prepared by combustion method, oxygen are on combustion, it gives metal oxides. First reaction of metal, calcium metal are react with oxygen, then it form corresponding its oxide like calcium oxide, twice CaO. Means twice magnesium. When magnesium are burns with oxygen, then form its oxide like magnesium oxide twice MgO. Then when for sodium metal are combustible with oxygen, then it forms sodium oxide like twice Na2O. Then oxygen uses of oxygen, it is used in sustaining life on earth. In liquid O2 are used as a rocket fuel. Then oxygen also prepared, also used in various type of metallurgical process, means preparing various type of metals. Then oxygen also prepared in various type of chemicals or laboratories or in industries for manufacture of phenol, then H2SO4, sulfuric acid, chemicals like HNO3, nitric acid, etc. Then next compounds of oxygen is ozone and formula like O3. O3 is a allotropic form of oxygen. Ozone are available at the 20 km height from Earth's surface. It is protected by layer of ozone. When oxygen absorbs some radiations, this UV radiation to produce oxygen atom, one in ground state and another in the excited state. In reaction like O2 are decomposed into O plus O means first oxygen are in ground state and another oxygen are in excited state. This oxygen when react with oxygen gas then it forms ozone is O3. Preparation of ozone. This ozone are prepared in the laboratory like thrice O2. It gives twice O3. Then physical properties of ozone. First property, ozone in gaseous state, it has a blue in color. When oxygen ozone are in liquid state, these are occurs in blue-black color. And solid ozone are occurs in violet-black in color. These ozone are in higher concentration It is dangerous, then it has a characteristic smell, and when it inhaled in concentration above 100 ppm parts per million, it causes various type of disease. Then also it offers headache and nausea. In ozone are diamagnetic in nature. It shows diamagnetic property. Then chemical properties of ozone. First property, oxidizing property. Ozone is powerful oxidizing agent. It decomposes to liberate nascent oxygen. Like in reaction, ozone gives O2 plus nascent oxygen like O. And ozone oxidizes lead sulfide means PbS to lead sulfate PbSO4 and iodide ion to iodine. Like in reaction PbS plus 4O3 it gives PbSO4 plus 4O2. Second reaction twice Ki plus S2O plus O3 gives twice KOH plus I2 plus O2 gas. Then ozone oxidizes nitrogen oxide and gives nitrogen dioxide. Like in reaction NO, it is a nitrogen oxide plus ozone O3, it gives nitrogen dioxide plus O2. The second property is a bleaching property. Ozone act as good bleaching agent due to its oxidative nature. Like in reaction O3 gives O plus O2. Third property, reducing property of ozone. US2O2 plus O3, it gives US2O plus twice O2. Then barium peroxide means BaO2 plus O3, it gives barium oxide plus twice O2. Then fourth point, ozone depletion means thinning of ozone layer in upper atmosphere. ओझोनचा लेयर जो thin होत जातो, विरळ होत जातो upper atmosphere मध्ये. त्या मेथडला म्हणायचं का ozone depletion. This ozone layer in upper atmosphere are absorb harmful UV radiations from the sun and thus protecting people on the earth's surface. The second depletion of this ozone layer in upper atmosphere are causes nitrogen oxide are released from the exhaust system by car or also supersonic jet aeroplanes. Then third depletion of this ozone layer also causes chlorofluorocarbon. These are used in refrigerator and their subsequent escape into the atmosphere. Then fourth, ozone depletion is a major environmental problem because it increases the amount of UV radiations that reaches on the Earth's surface. Then structure of ozone is a resonance form of the ozone. This lone electron pair are delocalized into the molecular orbital and it forms there are these three resonating structure. First, this lone pair of electrons are shifted from this double bond and it forms the first single bond and this oxygen first carries three lone pair of electrons. Then the second oxygen is shifted here double bond. This double bond again lone pair of electrons are shifted among these three third oxygen and it form here also third oxygen also carries three lone pair of electrons. It is this resonating structure of this ozone are formed. Ozone are also prepared from electric discharge tube. In pure and dry oxygen 10 to 15% oxygen are converted into the ozone. Like here, thrice O2 gives twice O3. Here delta H means it is absorbed at about plus 142 kilojoule per mole. This ozone it has an angular structure and both oxygen double bond are equal bond length due to resonating structure. Last point of oxygen compound like ozone, uses of ozone. These ozone are used in air purification at crowded places like cinema halls, tunnels, railways, etc. It also used in sterilizing drinking water by oxidizing all germs and bacteria. Then third use, it is also used for bleaching ivory oils, starch, wax, and delicate fabric silk. And last use of ozone, it is used in manufacture of synthetic camphor and also potassium permanganate, etc. Means KMnO4. Thank you.